Welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. And check out my forum at computersluggish.com. In today's video, I will be showing you how to add your name to the top of your context menu in Windows 10. If I right click on my desktop, as you can see, I currently don't have my name on the list. To start off with, first you need to open up your Registry editor. To do this, all we need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of our screen and type in reg, and you then need to open up Registry editor. You now need to make a backup of your registry because if something goes wrong, then you could end up damaging Windows. So make sure you have backed up your registry and also created a system restore point and backed up any important files. It's always worth backing everything up before making any adjustments in the registry. Now to start off with, first you need to navigate to Computer. Then you need to go to your H key classes root. I'm just going to go to the top so you can see this. We're going to go to our H key classes root. You then need to go all the way down to desktop. And we're now looking for desktop background. And you then need to click on shell. And once you're in this location, we can now right click on shell and go new. And you now need to click on key. We're now going to name the key what you want to call this key. I'm just going to call it Computer Sluggish. And we're now going to hit enter. We now need to right click in the empty space on the right hand side here. And we now need to go new. And we now need to click on string value. And you now need to type position with a capital P. And hit enter. We now need to double click on this string. And you now need to type in top with a capital T and press OK. And that will set the position of our name to the top of the context menu. You could always put bottom and it would put it to the bottom. We now need to close down the registry editor. And if you're lucky, you should now be able to right click on your desktop and you will see your name at the top of your context menu. And that is it. That is how simple it is to add your name onto the context menu. If you are missing a name, then restart your PC and then it should be there. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social media channels and forum.